Are you using GB WhatsApp, Aero WhatsApp, Pink WhatsApp, WhatsApp Gold, or WhatsApp Plus? If you answered yes, uninstall and delete that application right away. So in this video I'm gonna walk you through why you shouldn't use any WhatsApp substitutes. Many people from you might be using GB WhatsApp and some might be using Pink, Gold, WhatsApp Plus, FM, OG, Yo, Indigo or Aero WhatsApp. Countless people including me using official WhatsApp or WhatsApp Business itself. We should try know in this video what WhatsApp should you use and what not. Why did all WhatsApp substitutes like GB WhatsApp became so popular and famous? The most popular among these is GB WhatsApp. Because it has extra amazing features compared to official WhatsApp. People get more features so like to use GB WhatsApp. Features like higher status duration, broadcast message to up to 600, video of any size up to 50 megabytes is shareable, recall deleted messages, check someone else's status without they knowing it, notification when someone checks your profile picture, and so on. Are these WhatsApp substitutes safe? Well, will you share your personal life details with random unknown person? Answer is no, right? You do not find these WhatsApps on Google Play Store or Apple App Store. You have to download from third-party unsafe websites and install it. Why? Because these WhatsApps are not safe or secure, and it's not accordance with Apple and Google's security policy. Therefore Google or Apple won't allow these kind of WhatsApps to be uploaded on their platform. In official WhatsApp, whenever you send text messages, videos, audios, images, or documents are end-to-end encrypted. Means, no data sent or received will be read by hackers or WhatsApp developers. But using WhatsApp substitute means sharing all your personal informations with the one who has built that application. You might be thinking, there's no harm in using these WhatsApps. But you never know where your data will reach. Remember, your WhatsApp number might be the same number which is linked to your Aadhaar card, bank account, PAN card or social media accounts. Stop using it. If you are already using GB WhatsApp or any substitutes, apart from official WhatsApp, delete it from your mobile immediately. If possible, completely reset your mobile once. You'll find lot of videos related to WhatsApp substitutes, saying good features about it. But, no one will tell you how unsafe and unsecure it is to use them. So I felt, it is my duty to inform and guide you about this. For some extra features, do not involve yourself at risk. Delete all of them. Stick to official WhatsApps which are approved by Google and Apple. Thanks for watching. If this video is useful for you, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to our channel, subscribe and ring the bell to stay up to date with our latest tech related stuff here on IT Era.